Hey viewers, Brian, your honest mechanic here. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic that every car owner needs to know about: bad engine oil symptoms. Trust me, as a mechanic who's seen it all, I can't stress enough how important it is to keep your oil in tip-top shape. First things first, why is engine oil so darn important? Your engine is full of moving parts that are constantly rubbing against each other at high speeds and temperatures. Oil acts as a protective layer between these parts, reducing friction and wear. It's also responsible for carrying away heat and contaminants, keeping your engine clean and cool. Without good quality oil at the right levels, your engine is in for a rough ride. Metal-on-metal contact can cause serious damage, leading to costly repairs or even total engine failure. Plus, dirty or low oil can't do its job properly, which means decreased performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and a shorter lifespan for your engine. Now you might be asking, Brian, when is the right time to change motor oil? Most manufacturers recommend changing conventional oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles and synthetic every 7,500 to 15,000 miles. But let me tell you, in my experience, I say change it every 5,000 miles, no matter what. I've seen firsthand how this can make your engine last a heck of a lot longer. It's a small price to pay for some serious peace of mind, am I right? So, what are some telltale signs that your oil needs some TLC? Here's what to look out for. 1. Dark and dirty oil. Clean oil should be a nice amber color and kind of see-through. If it's looking more like black sludge, that's a big red flag. It means your oil is overdue for a change and is packed with all sorts of nasty contaminants. Yuck! 2. Loud engine noise and knocking. If your engine sounds like it's hosting a heavy metal concert, that's not a good sign. Old low oil can't lubricate properly, so all those parts start grinding together. You might hear knocking or rumbling noises that basically mean your engine is tearing itself apart. Ouch! 3. Oil smell inside the car. If you start smelling oil in the cabin, there's a good chance you've got a leak. And if it's mixed with exhaust fumes or a burning smell, your engine could be overheating. Don't ignore this. Get it checked out as soon as possible. 4. Exhaust smoke. A little vapor from the tailpipe is normal, especially when it's chilly outside. But if you're seeing visible bluish smoke, that's a problem. It could be an old oil leak burning off or dirty oil. Time for a trip to the nearest engine oil store? 5. Overheating engine. Oil helps carry heat away from the engine. If it's dirty, it will not circulate right. Your engine can overheat fast. This is a major danger zone, so keep an eye on that temperature gauge. 6. Decreased engine performance. Is your car feeling sluggish? Poor lubrication from old dirty oil can make your engine work harder, guzzle more gas, and just not run as efficiently as it should. So there you have it, folks. The 6 big warning signs that your oil needs some love. But don't wait for these to pop up. Regular oil checks and changes are the key to keeping your engine healthy and happy. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips from your trusted honest mechanic. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly.